मित्रों, मैं आपकी कृपा पूर्वक अनुमति चाहूंगा कि आज कैबिनेट कमेटी ऑन सिक्योरिटी ने एक नेशनल सिक्योरिटी डायरेक्टिव ऑन टेलीकम्युनिकेशन सेक्टर बनाया है। नेशनल सिक्योरिटी डायरेक्टिव ऑन टेलीकम्युनिकेशन सेक्टर, ये राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा के दृष्टिकोण से बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय है। तो मैं आपकी अनुमति चाहूंगा, बस छोटा सा 2 पेज का नोट है, काइंडली पढ़ें और ताकि देश के सामने इसको हम रखें। मैं पढ़ रहा हूं। कंसिडरिंग द नीड टू इंश्योर India's national security, the cabinet has accorded approval for the National Security Directive on Telecommunication sector. Under the provisions of this directive, in order to maintain the integrity of the supply chain security, government will declare a list of trusted sources, trusted products for the benefit of telecom service providers. To be covered under this directive, and the methodology to designate trusted products will be devised by the designated authority, who is the National Cyber Security Coordinator. Telecom service providers are required to connect new devices which are designated trusted products. The designated authority will make its determination based on approval of a committee headed by the Deputy NSA. The committee will consist of members from relevant departments, ministries, and will also have 2 members from industry and an independent expert. The committee will be called National Security Committee on Telecom. National Security Committee on Telecom. A list of designated sources from whom no procurement can be done may also be created. The present directive does not envisage mandatory replacement of the existing equipment already inducted in the networks of TSPs. The directive will also not affect ongoing annual maintenance contracts or updates to existing equipment already inducted in the network as on date of effect of the directive. From among the sources declared as trusted source by the designated authority, those which meet the criteria of Department of Telecom's preferential market access scheme will be certified as India Trusted Sources. The National Security Committee on Telecom will take measures to increase use of equipments from such Indian trusted. Guidance for the manner in which the enhanced supervision and effective control could be maintained by TSP will be issued by the designated authority at regular intervals. The Department of Telecom will suitably modify its guidelines and ensure monitoring of compliance by telecom service providers, the TSPs. The designated authority will put in place a portal for easy upload of applications by TSP and equipment vendors. It will improve ease of doing business through providing predictable assessment methodology to TSPs and equipment vendors. The Department of Telecom will make appropriate modifications in the license conditions for the implementation of provisions of the directive. The policy will come into operation after 180 days from the date of approval.